Hi guys, today is May 8, 2021. So if you apply for the electronic diversity visa, so today is the date. You can check your electronic diversity visa intern status. For that you can go your Google Chrome and enter the DB program. Then this type of the page will open. Then you click on the DB program. So this type of page open, which is the official website or page. So you can see here in this corner electronic diversity visa applicant entry system. Also you can see here the DB intern status check 2022 and 2021 intern status check. For this you can go click the link below to check the DB 2021 and DB 2020 intern status. So you can click on check status. When you click, then this type of page will open. Here are some instruction are given. So intern status check instruction are: please be sure to have the entrance confirmation number. You have, first of all, you have the confirmation number, then your last or family name, date of birth, then you can click on continue. When you click on continue, this type of page will appear. So in this page you can, first of all, you enter your confirmation number in this box, then your last or family name in this box, and then your year of birth, and at last you can enter the authentication number, which is in this picture. You can enter in this box and then you click on submit. When you click on submit, then further you can further proceed. So I have no confirmation number, that's why I'm not going to submit it. So if you have, you can go and submit it. In case of, if you forget your confirmation number, what can you do? In that case, you can click on forget confirmation number, then this type of page will open. You can see here is the verify intern. So in this page you can choose the I button, where is the 2021 or 2022. Then in this box, last or family name, then your first name, and then your middle name, then date of birth, month, day, and year. And you should also provide your email address, which you fill up while you are fill up your form. So you can provide your email address, authentic email address, in this website, which you provide in your form. So then authentication number, these are appear in this picture, so you can enter here and then click submit. Then you can able to verify the intern confirmation number. You will get your confirmation number, and that number you can enter in this box.